1708 Lakeshore Lane in Plano, Texas. Hey, when you get here, I want you to do one thing. Get to the house, and then after you look at the house, I want you to drive all the way to the park. And what I want you to do is look at the homes around here in the community and tell me you don't fall in love with this neighborhood. Come with me, let's take a look at the house. With over 2,800 square feet, this open floor plan offers spacious living and dining areas, perfect for get-togethers or just relaxing. Attractive hardwood floors and an updated modern eat-in kitchen with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, ideal for daily meals or hosting friends. The private primary suite features an updated ensuite with a luxury shower you will love. Don't miss the amazing sunroom with pool views and extra living space. Step outside to your private backyard oasis, complete with a diving pool and turf play areas. Enjoy top-tier community amenities, a park, walking trails, pool, clubhouse, and tennis courts, all in Plano ISD. The pool is ready, the house is ready, we're ready for you. If you need an appointment, just let us know, we'll schedule it. Easy.